In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Meet video call on your laptop with audio. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your meetings for future reference or sharing. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use. So select your preferred account and, if necessary, enter your password and click Next to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Google Meet page. Here's where you'll start setting up your meeting. Click on the New Meeting button, and from the drop-down menu, select Start an Instant Meeting. At this point, your meeting should have started, and you should see yourself on the screen, ready to invite participants or adjust settings as needed. Before proceeding to record the meeting, there's one more thing to prepare. We'll need a screen recording extension to capture the video call. Let's head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search box, type Screnly and press Enter. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Simply click on Add Extension. After a brief moment, Screnly will appear in your browser's extension list, usually located at the top right corner. Now that we've got our extension installed, let's return to our ongoing Google Meet session. To start recording, click on the little puzzle piece icon, which represents your browser extensions. From the list, select Screen Recorder, SCRNLE. This will open up a small window for the extension with various recording options. On Screnly, click on Record Video. Make sure to activate both the Record Mic Sound and Record Tab Sound options, ensuring you capture the full conversational context, including any vital vocal inputs during the meeting. Once everything is set up, go ahead and click on Start Recording. It's important to make sure that throughout the meeting, your internet connection is stable and your audio settings are correctly configured to avoid any disruptions or poor quality recordings. If you need to pause while noting down critical points or adjust settings, you can always do so through the recording controls provided by the Screnly extension, ensuring everything runs smoothly. And there you have it, a seamless way to record your Google Meet video calls on your laptop, complete with audio. Keep in mind, recorded calls can be incredibly beneficial for revisiting important discussions or sharing insights with team members who couldn't attend. When you're ready, simply click on the Stop Recording button when the meeting concludes. This will automatically save your recording and allow you to revisit it anytime you need.